On 3. 1, 2, 3. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another vlog. Folks, we're off to a rather different start today. Typically when I do these vlogs, it is very sunny, blue, awesome outside. We're doing some lawn task or something fun with that regard. Today's gonna be a little bit different. It's very cloudy, very gloomy, typical Northwest Indiana spring weather here. The truck here, I gotta take it in today to get it looked at because I've been noticing some problems with the brake, okay? Follow? So what happens is while I'm driving, the front axle here squeaks a little bit, and whenever I turn right or left, or even brake for that matter, it squeaks even more. So it's been an ongoing problem now for the last week, and because of that, I gotta take it, get it looked at, and make sure we're all good to go, because tomorrow I have to get the trailer, and I have to take both of my Toro Zero Turns to my dealer to get them tuned up for the spring, all thanks to my friends at Toro for helping me arrange that. Anyway, I digress. Got to get that done, so in the meantime, got to make sure the truck is good and running and ready to go, so hopefully we can use it for that. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking now. I'm sure you guys are tired of it. Let's go ahead and get on with the vlog. Okay, thank you. All right, bye. So that was the auto place. Apparently the brake pads and the rotors are rubbing up on one another, creating the squeaking sound that I told you guys about. So yeah, got to get all that replaced, all that repaired. Gonna take a while, so I'm not gonna have the truck for the rest of the afternoon. But in other news, as I should say, check this out. Look, it's freeze raining right now. Spring in Indiana, folks. Just love it. Anyway, check this out. Look. Had to get down some salt right now, so all is fine and dandy today. I think I'm gonna head inside, maybe bang out a video that I want to get out this week where I actually talk about 5 must-dos for the spring lawn season, for cool season lawns. So I think I'm gonna go in the studio, shoot that right now. I'm sure by the time I'm making this vlog, it should be up. If so, I'll link it up here and down below. It's gonna be a fun, info-packed video to get the season started. So anyway, just thought I'd share that with you. I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Smokey. 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 Hi, Smoke. What's up, Smokey? All right, all set up, getting ready to record our first spring video of 2021. Very excited about it. Let's do it. All right, I'm gonna clap this up and get started. What's going on, everybody? I'm Jake the Lawn Kid. Welcome back to yet another video. So nice to have all of you guys here. Hope all of you guys are having a great morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you're at. And if you're watching this in the morning, you guys know the drill. Make sure you're having a nice cup of black coffee to kick off the morning. With that, I'm Jake the Lawn Kid. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Later. Cool.
Okay, all right, I'll run it up and have a conventional oil change done.
All right, awesome. Thank you.
Yep. Bye-bye.
Bye. I decided to just call them back again and see if I can get an oil change while the car's there, because why not? Let's kill 2 birds with 1 stone, you know what I'm saying? All right, so it is the next day, and today is time crunch like a mother. Fake swear word added for dramatic effect. Like seriously, it is freaking crazy today. I just got the truck back, which is good, and now I gotta head out to Crete to get the trailer. Gotta take about 25-30 minutes to unload that, another 20 minutes to drive back here. So I won't be back here till around 9:30, which will put me getting to the dealer around 10 a.m. to get one of the mowers there, and then I get to turn around and bring back a second mower. I don't even know how long it's gonna take to get them back, but yeah, that's the situation today. Time crunch, time crunch, time crunch. It's 8:40. I got about an hour 20. That back there is the trailer. I have to uncover it, unload it, take it with me all the way back to Indiana, And yeah, got till 10 o'clock, so let's make every minute count. All right, trailer's hooked up, good to go. Grandma's house, we are leaving. And 40 minutes to spare. Yeah, be about 20 minutes. Okay, no problem. Just dropped off mower number 1. Now I'm gonna go get mower number 2, and that will be it for today. Okay, so for whatever reason, I can't get it started. Of course, it will turn over if I just turn a little bit, but it seems that the ignition, like a little gear or whatever that runs the ignition, it seems like something popped loose. So it's a good thing I'm taking this to the dealer anyway. I'm gonna have them look at it. Kind of baffled. I don't know what's going on. Anyway, another thing I just learned with these brand new 2021 Toro mowers, these Toro zero turns, is that they're very, very hard to figure out how to push them, right? So here's what you gotta do. Check this out. You have these like 2 releases right here that you push in and up to lock so that you can put the unit in neutral and push it. And then with that, you obviously take the handlebars, put them here in the neutral position. And then you go to push it and it won't move, right? Kind of frustrating and confusing. Check this out. Here's all you gotta do. Come over to the key, turn it over to run. Hear that? The ignition's acting up, so I gotta push it. Anyway, turn it to run. And then, look at that. I'm able to push it out, so. So happy I'm going to the dealer now. Yeah, that didn't happen. This is gonna be hanging down too. Oh man, God. This is so much. On 3. 1, 2, 3. Progress. Oh, I'm too weak. Too weak. Dad was right. Steel toe saved the day. Oh man. I can't wait till he watches this later. Oh, he's gonna be like, I told you so, Jake. Be like, yes you did. Old man knows what he's talking about. Never doubt your old man. Oh, I love steel toe boots. You know, this might be a great time to review the Cujo Yardwear shoes. Maybe I'll save this clip just for that, so I can make everybody laugh a little bit at my struggling, because one man's pain is another man's laughter. So, but you know what? Not as painful as it would have been if I would have worn regular shoes. So, Cujo Yardwear, you guys did it. Come on. Yes. Victory! The whole thing just rolls back down. Oh. Oh. Yes! Yeah! Yes! Yes! Yeah! Yes! Yes! I did it! Oh! I did it! Yes! Yes! Oh man! That's exciting! That's a great way to wrap up the morning right there. If you guys need any workout ideas, maybe do this like 3 times in the afternoon. You'll be good to go. Okay, so it probably goes without saying, but make sure that when you're done doing this, you turn the key off, because last thing you want to do is take it over there with a dead battery, right? The less problems you can cause, the better, so cool. All right, what's up everybody? Just wrapping up the vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys had a lot of fun. I want to say a couple of things. Big thank you to my dealer, Terpstra. As you guys know who've been watching the videos, I love that dealer so much. They're what I would consider to be an elite, polite, awesome dealer. Anything you need, they're there to help you. So if you live in the St. John, Crown Point, Griffith area here in Indiana, great dealer for you to check out. I promise you, they don't disappoint. And on top of that, guys, let me just say, this is only the beginning of not only another season, but another awesome year of content on this channel, and I'm really looking forward to it. As a matter of fact, got a ton of spring content we're gonna be doing here, and maybe some stuff we'll be doing in the back. So yeah, gonna be a lot of fun. Hope you guys will subscribe. In the meantime, I'll see you in the next video. Later.